Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel with a nice little problem. The problem is a is equal to plus root 1 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4, and the value of b is minus root 1 plus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 4. The value of c is plus root 1 minus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4. The value of d plus root 1 plus root 2 minus root 1 plus root 4. And we have to find the product a, b, c and d. Now just look, the root of 1 is equal to 1 and the root of 4 is equal to 2. So friends, we will put root 1 equal to 1 and root 4 equal to 2 in place of in values of a, b, c and d. So we will get, so this will become 1 and this will become 2. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. 3 plus root 2 and root square root 2 plus square root 3. Similarly, minus root 1 will be minus 1, minus root 4 will be minus 2. Minus 2, this is minus 2 and this is minus 1. So will be minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3 plus root 2 plus root 3. Now this is plus root 1, this is plus root 4. This will be 1, this will be 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 minus square root 2 plus square root 3. Now for the value of d, root 1 is 1 and root 4 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus square root 2 minus square root 3. Now this can be written as root 2 plus root 3 plus 3. This can be written as, and this can be written as root 2 plus root 3 minus 3. Now if we take minus common from here, so what we will get? We get square root 2 and this will become minus square root 3. So this is the value. Now for the value of d, this will become 3 plus square root 2 minus square root 3. So this is the value of a, this is the value of b, this is the value of c and this is the value of d. Now first we will multiply value of a and value of b. A, b. So ab will be equal to, the value of a is square root 2 plus square root 3 plus 3, and the value of b is square root 2 plus square root 3 minus 3. Now friends, here we recall a formula. The formula says that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. The famous formula difference of two squares. So by using this formula, AB will become, implies that AB will be equal to square root 2 plus square root 3 whole square minus 3 square. Now we will use the formula a plus b whole square. Since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Remember the value of a is square root 2 and the value of b is square root 3. So a b is equal to square root 2 whole square plus square root 3 square plus 2a. The value of a is square root 2 and the value of b is square root 3 minus 3 square. 3 square is 9. This square is cancelled out from square root, square is cancelled out from square root, and this is 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 2 roots 3 will be equal to root 6 minus 9. So we get 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So we get 2 square root 6, 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So the value of the product AB is 2 square root 6 minus 4. Now we will find the product of C and D. So CD will be equal to, the value of C is 3 minus square root of 2 minus square root of 3, and the value of D, this is the value of C, and the value of D is 3 plus 3 plus square root of 2 minus square root of 3. This is the value of D. Now again using the formula a plus b times a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, difference of two square formula. So this will become 3 square minus square root 2 minus square root 3 whole square. Now here we will use the formula. The formula says that since a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Look, the value of a is square root 2 and the value of b is square root 3. So which implies that the value of the product CD is equal to, the value of the product CD is equal to 3 square. 3 square is 9 minus. Now a minus b whole square is equal to a square, which means square root 2 square plus square root 3 square minus 2 square root 3 square root 2 square root 3. So next, this is 9 minus, this is just 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. So we get minus 2 root 2 root 3 will be root 6. So minus outside the bracket, so the signs will be changed. So 9 minus 2 minus 3 plus 2 square root 6, which is equal to 9 minus 2 minus 3 will be 4. 4 plus 2 square root of 6, which can be written as 2 square root of 6 plus 4. So this is the value of CD and this is the value of AB. Now we will find the value of ABCD, the product ABCD. So the value of the product AB times CD will be equal to, the value of AB is 2 square root of 6 minus 4 times the value of CD. The value of CD is 2 square root 6 plus 4. So again using this formula, difference of two squares. So this will become 2 square root of 6 whole square minus 4 square. So what will be the square of 2? Square of 2 will be 4 and square of square root 6 will be 6 minus square of 4 is 16. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 24 minus 16. 24 minus 16 is 8. So the value of the product ABCD, or the value of ABCD, will be equal to, this is equal to 8. So this is our final answer. Hopefully you understand. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it for further updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.